Hello crafty friends, my name is Kimberly Smith and I'm the Papered Chef. Today I launched a new course on Udemy. It is called Canvas Workspace Winter Projects. In this short video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself, some other courses I offer on Udemy, and I'll give you a little sneak peek of the 5 projects we'll be making in this course. I started crafting many years ago. I was inspired by my mom, who's a seamstress, and several years ago I was watching a craft channel and it had a ScanNCut on it, and I saw what it could do by cutting out stamped images especially and cutting out drawings and papers, and I was hooked immediately because I'm a big time paper crafter. I've held craft clubs and I go to craft fairs and things. It was a game changer for me. My first ScanNCut was a CM300 model, and a couple years later I started developing courses on the CM350. So I developed 2 courses on Udemy on the CM350, and then the AutoBlade technology came out with the new model of SDX machine. Had to have it, got the SDX model. I'm now on my 4th ScanNCut machine, and I did a course on the SDX model, and I've done 4 other courses that pertain to any model of ScanNCut. So the 7 courses altogether are CM350 Basics, CM350 Advanced, SDX 125. The next 4 courses used with any model or just basically using the software, Canvas Workspace. I did one on Canvas Workspace A to Z. I've done one on Canvas Workspace working with fonts, ScanNCut, or card making with the brother ScanNCut, and my most recent course prior to this one was called Boxes and Envelopes, Canvas Workspace Boxes and Envelopes. This course was designed very similar to the Boxes and Envelopes course, except that they're all new projects in this course. And to tell you the truth, I actually originally was going to create a course for fall or autumn, and I just couldn't finish it in time because it's very intense to develop a course. So here I am with the Winter Projects course. But maybe next year we could do one for autumn, because there's a lot of fun projects you can create in any season. So I'm a US Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so that means that you're going to get to see wonderful Stampin' Up! Papers throughout the projects from this course. And I just wanted to let you know that it can be beginner level. If you've just never created a project with your ScanNCut before, never used the software before, you can take this course and you'll get something out of it. And if you've taken all my other courses, there are new projects and new skills that you'll learn as well. So the first project was inspired by a conference I had gone to way back when, and somebody, I believe they were from Germany, gave me this cute little, it was called a swap. We swap gifts, and it was a cute little swap, and I figured out how to make it with paper, and I've been making it ever since. I score the paper, but scoring diagonally is kind of tough. So I said, why not figure out how to make this design with the ScanNCut? So I did, and I put Hershey nuggets in each one, and I turned it into an advent calendar or countdown calendar project. But when I showed you how to create this design, I explained that you can scale this little tiny treat box to any size that you want. You're going to get to practice your skills by creating one of these treat boxes and sharing it in the assignment section. Later I used little stickers, and I put all the numbers to count down until Christmas on the front of these. You can, of course, use the ScanNCut to write numbers as well, or use any other method. You could draw, you could use vinyl, you could create your own stickers, but I already had a lot of stickers for that one. One of the things I like to do in the last few courses I've taught is use the Template Maker website, because it's an amazing website that already has so many designs for us to use. And in that website, I show you how to create your own SVGs according to your parameters. So one of the things that we created using the website Template Maker is a matchbox project. And I showed how to create it with designer series paper and with cardstock and a combination thereof. And I show you how I decorate all these projects as well, how to assemble them and decorate them. Another thing we did with Template Maker is create these paper star ornaments, also known as the star box. You don't have to turn them into an ornament. You don't have to have the hole in them, but I showed you how to put the ribbon through it and how to put candy in these and use them as an ornament. although it would just be a nice piece of home decor. We also use the ScanNCut to help create the embellishments as well. Another thing you're going to learn in this course is how to take a Canvas Workspace project that's already created for you and how to modify it to make it your own. So there was a project in Canvas Workspace built into the software, and it was about making snow ornaments. And so I took that snowflake from that project and I showed you how to make layered tags, all 3 layers, and how to cut the layers and how to assemble these snowflake tags. And I made them in different ways. So another project that we created in this course is personalizing a jar. So I share how to use vinyl, how to cut out the vinyl, or how to design with fonts. I show you how to get the font, download the font, install the font, write something with the font, weld the letters together, put the vinyl on the jar, and how to decorate the jar. This snowflake came from the software itself. I figured that these projects would give you a good overview of the software, and they'll launch your imagination into all kinds of other things you can make using the skills that you learn in this course. I hope to see you enroll in this course. So the way that instructors on Udemy get paid is there's a few ways I just want to explain. So if you use my coupon, I will get most of the revenue from the very, very deeply discounted price in the description of this video. If you don't and you just go to Udemy directly, then I will probably, depending on how you made it to that site, only make less than half of what you actually paid for the course. And if you went to a third-party site, it's probably more like 25%. So please use my links directly that I'm sharing with you, because the course is already such a great deal, and it would be nice to be able to, since I'm the one personally recommending you for my course, the one to actually make the revenue off the course I'm teaching. Just something to think about. So thank you for your support. I hope you take this course. I hope you learn new skills, and I hope to see you in my Canvas Workspace Winter Projects course. Bye for now.